376 of Indian Penal Code, Act 45 of 1860, explanation 1, I will read it for the members of the House. It states that where a woman is raped by one or more in a group of persons acting in furtherance of their common intention, each of the persons shall be deemed to have committed gang rape within the meaning of this subsection. So gang rape is not the new crime that this legislation is proposing. Secondly, what Honorable Prime Minister said, gang rape could be committed even by women. In the case of Priya Patel versus the Union of India, Supreme Court has already held that even a woman can commit gang rape. Could be a person. The word person includes even a woman. Moving to the second part of the clause, which talks about causing damage to the body of a person or burning or maiming a person by throwing acid. We shall look to section 324 of Indian Penal Code, which talks about voluntarily causing hurt by dangerous weapons or means. I shall read it for the House. Whoever, except in cases provided for by section 334, voluntarily causes hurt by means of any instrument for shooting, stabbing or cutting, or any instrument which, used as a weapon of offense, is likely to cause death, or by means of fire, or any heated substance. Heated substance would include acid, what this legislation is talking about, or by means of any poison or any corrosive substance. Even this talks about corrosive substance, or by means of any explosive substance. So this is not this clause 1 is not something new.